Hello crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. We are at the end of the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge, and while I loved it, I had a great time, and I hope that a lot of you got inspiration. I'm ready to be done and to move on to a new challenge. I drug this one on way too long, but I wanted to give you a final flip through so that you could see everything in detail. I love how the tassel turned out. It's so pretty and colorful, and I just love how it feels and looks. I love how the spine looks. I'm really happy with it. It's definitely not my style, like with all of the kind of mixed media that I intertwined into it, but I like that. I ended up putting a tag up here that had the beads because I think it all just kind of ties in together really nicely. So let's go ahead and do a flip through. Now there's a lot going on in here. I went ahead and just kept the inside page blank. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this journal, to be honest, so I love the front page. I can't wait to do this idea again with a frame. And I just love that you can see what's behind, but you know, it's its own page. So that was super fun, and these laminating sheets are also so sturdy, so it's not like flimsy or anything like that. We have this belly band here with some handmade paper. I think the handmade paper was one of my favorite parts of the challenge because I never knew I would be able to do it, and it seemed like a lot of you really responded well to that video as well. So we have some like journaling cards in the pockets. I did not overstuff this journal because the spine on this one is much smaller than I'm used to working with. But I can't wait to make more coffee dyed paper again with this design. We have this really cute sticker. I mean, yeah, it's official. Dollar Tree has a lot of cute stuff. I have a lot of leftover things that I can use, like more like supplies, not, I think I used most of the stuff I made for this journal. I actually used it up in this journal, but I have a lot of supplies left over that I was able to just kind of put within my, all of my crafting supplies. So you can absolutely use Dollar Tree or whatever the equivalent is if you don't have a Dollar Tree. I'm sure you have maybe another type of shop that has inexpensive items. It just goes to show that you can be really creative and use all types of supplies in different ways. A little flip up here. I think this was one of the first pages, and I always, oh, here we go. So it opens up like that. There we go. And we have a tag back here. And if you guys had not heard, I love this one too. I also had someone asked if I could do this same idea, but using items from like a thrift shop. I wish I remember who asked me because I would love to know more specifically if they wanted to have me set a certain amount or exactly what they were hoping to see, but I think I can maybe set that up and figure that part out. I think I've mentioned though before that my thrift shops around here, or like antique shops, seem to be really expensive, to be honest. So I do think I might have to get a bit creative with that, which is totally fine, and I think it sounds fun, but I'm not sure if I should do the challenge like any secondhand type items, or if it should just be, I don't love shopping at Goodwills or any of the equivalent stores, to be quite honest. We do have a Goodwill, what's it called, like where you go and everything's sold by weight. We do have one of those shops, and I guess that one's a little bit better, but the other Goodwills around here are overpriced and I don't like it. So I don't know if I should just use like a secondhand stores or thrift shops that are not like big names. I would love to hear what you guys would like to see for that. It may not be this very following month because I don't know if I have the time to do one whole project. I'm trying to finish the junk journal release, but if you comment on here, I can at least take everything into account for when I do that, because I do really hope to do it at least as soon as I can. So please leave any links below if you participated and you have a new video out or something like that. And I can add you to the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge playlist. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.